Hope so, bro.
Last night we explored a decent sized school. After the fourth time, we actually got a school. But this video finna be lit, man, just for y'all. So let's jump right into it, man, for real.
Dun dun dun! In Detroit, abandoning this school.
It's old ass TV. A kitchen next to an auditorium is crazy.
Right, that's kind of fucking weird.
Literally. Jesus.
Fuck out of here.
Hell no, I ain't been here.
No, we ain't never been to this one.
My word. Yeah. And now it's time to hold it. I'm about to hit a... That's crazy.
It's probably just a time of day right now.
Time of day.
That's why they're not here yet. They work in their corners.
Alright. There's a big chunk.
This shit is scary as hell. Why does it get so cold? The fuck? Alright, come on.
Guarantee you go try this on the yeah, basketball on so buddy wear what? Size 6? Yeah, exactly.
Maybe like wait here. I want you to think of the outcome of your action. Yeah. Buddy. Yeah. Right on your neck. I can't believe that.
I came in like a wrecking ball.
I knew it. You all heard that shit.
What was this?
What?
No,
What's
it
the
wasn't.
door?
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, and they kicked it.
That was upstairs, bro.
That ain't the motherfucking door.
Well, we're in here now. That's not music.
Who?
That's somebody upstairs.
We got a visitor here.
That's to the roof. It's probably just the air. That's what I'm saying. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. No. Oh, did it crack?
Nope. Titanium, dude. Actually, it cracked. It cracked. It cracked.
Let me see.
The fuck is in here?
Fucking ball.
Oh, shit. Damn. Damn.
82. Like a kid.
It's an 82?
Yeah. 816, 82. You got what?
Damn, this some old ass fucking.
Alright, who wants to open that can up of green beans? fucking steam murder from fucking Master P and shit.
Who's that?
He used to be a rapper for like Master P and shit.
Second throw right, RP. Second throw right.
Oh. No, these motherfuckers.
Silences in the distance.
19 something.
Right here is 2000. Might not love myself, but the street showed me love.
Have you seen these children? Damn. Missing from Los Angeles. 19, well, damn, 9/23/87.
Go and see you go. That way? Well, fuck the stairs, though. Terry, son of a bitch. So you know it's only gonna get us to come from that way. Alright? Good enough. Oh, motherfucking legs hurt.
Shit!
I'm not sure who's
Oh, shit. What's he say?
Holy fuck.
Dude, that shit longer than the first one.
longer than that first one. Let's get trapped in our own thoughts here.
This way.
Alright, so now, we want to check out. Is that other place farther away?
It said, well, I gotta check, but I'm pretty sure it's like 20 minutes.
Yeah, deeper or like towards home?
I just be styling this hard to sleep. See her, she never made it hard for me. See her, I can't trust my eyes. Like, how do I see? I'm in the high, she's in the heat. Tell me why, and for what? Always prepared, cause I never know what. She waited, had my show, she want me to sign her butt. Whipping that hoe with that Fendi. Yeah, I was looking for Fendi.